Alright, this is a video for 1HT about exercise 81. The nice thing about this exercise is that it has all the different things you need to know about letters and powers. So let's start at the beginning, 81a, and that's also the new information for this lesson. It's when you divide a power by a power. Now you already know that if you multiply powers, so for example a to the power of 3 times a squared, then you add the powers. So 3 plus 2 is 5. So that's your answer then. Divided by is the opposite of times. So if you have to add them here, it makes sense that you have to do minus there. So 8 minus 3 is 8 to the power of 5. So if you divide powers, you subtract these two numbers. Going to the next exercise, here we see plus and times. You have to do times first, so 8 to the power of 3 times a squared. That will be 8 to the power of 5. So we get 8 to the power of 8 plus 8 to the power of 5. Because the powers are different, you can't add it. So this is your answer. Moving on to exercise C, here we have a power to a power. Now, this is what you learned in the previous video that I made earlier in the week. What you have to do here is you have to multiply these two numbers. So 3 times 8 is 24. And that's your answer. Moving on to exercise D. If you multiply powers, we actually did that here already, right? Then you just add them. So this is 8 to the power of 11. E is the same as D, but now there are also two different numbers here, 8 and 3. Well, 8 times 3 is 24. And then for the powers you have to add them, so you get 11. So the answer is 24, 8 to the power of 11. Then we go to 81f. Here we have some things in brackets. We have to do 3 to the power of 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. And then you have to do 8 to the power of 8 to the power of 3. So that will be 8 to the power of 3 times 8 is 24. So this is the answer, 27, 8 to the power of 24. So these are the answers for exercise 81. Thank you again for watching.